How to turn on notifications in the UpScrolled application. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you want to learn how to turn on the notification setting in the UpScrolled application so that you stay updated whenever someone follows you, comments on your scroll, or when there are important updates, here's how you do it. First of all, start by launching the UpScrolled application on your smartphone and log into your account. From the home page of UpScrolled, go to your profile icon, which is located at the bottom right corner of the screen, tap on that, and you'll end up in your profile section. From your profile page, tap on the gear button at the top right, and this will open up settings. Now click on Notifications from the settings menu. Now, if you haven't enabled notification yet, you'll see a little enable button at the top of the screen. Tap on that and click on the open setting button in the pop-up if displayed, and then this will take you to your device's notification tab, from where you need to tap on notifications and toggle on the button right next to allow notification. Now, once you do that, get back to the UpScrolled application and you have successfully enabled notification in the app. After you do that, you can also go ahead and adjust some notification settings you don't want to receive or you do want to receive. Simply select any one options from the menu, and if you want to turn off certain notifications, simply select off in that specific notifications. You can simply go ahead and adjust it to your liking. So that way you will be able to enable notification setting in the UpScrolled application using your smartphone. This works whether you have an Android or iOS device. So if you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.